And welcome back to the Dog and Pottery, the place of own fine craft ales. No, you won't find him putting tariffs on everything, and you certainly won't find him paying £5 for a pint.
No, you won't.
No, it's going to be very soon.
It's going to be wherever you go soon, isn't it?
More famous. I'm a pottery.
This is my brewmaster brother, Dave Partridge. So we'll go straight in. With the price of beer, the only option is
home brew.
Make your own, innit?
Yeah.
So that's what we're here to do. Tell you all the good kits.
No, well, actually, I'm always in favour of looking after the traditional pub as well.
Yes.
Serving cast ale. Went to a lovely place on Friday night.
Yeah, local.
Yeah, you've got to look after your pub as well. Actually, it's not going to be there if you don't use it.
Yeah.
But at the same time, if you want to brew a drink on a Sunday afternoon, or probably a drink in the week like me, home brew's the answer.
It's the cheapest way to do it. You know, if you've got a big party, get some home brewing going, isn't it?
Yeah. You've got a party, you've got folks coming round, and home brew's the answer.
So with that, what we got on the board today, bro?
Well, we've got a range of beers from Darkrock, because it's Darkrock Top Takeover Week.
Is there any there offers on?
There will be offers on when I release this video. I tell Darkrock, and if you type in DP review when you order any of these beers we're about to show you, you will get 10% off.
10% off, that's handy. So if you buy more, you get quite a bit off.
So making your beer even cheaper.
Yeah. Where are we starting, bro?
We're going to start with as always, with a extract kit. We're going to start one we've had before in the past. We're doing it again because on the Darkrock Takeover Week, and we're doing Indian Pale Lager.
So this is the Session Series Indian Pale Lager. Just said it comes in one of these boxes here. I believe you need a enhancer to go with it, bro.
Yep, there you go. Show me the answer.
So I've got an enhancer kit here, also from Darkrock. There you go.
There you go.
So how much are we talking here then, Brady Rain?
Together, I think I'm at 20-something quid.
Right, yeah. 40 pints still?
Yep.
Obviously. Obviously, this is the multi-extract thing, so this is the easy brewing sort of thing, so you don't need the full.
So you'll get some hops and some yeast and in there.
Okay.
And in the answer, you get the what's it called?
A superior alternative to brewing sugar.
Yes.
This lager kit enhancer has been carefully formulated to condition brewing water, boost fermentation, improve body and head retention, enhance flavour and mouthfeel.
There you go.
There you go. That's what that does.
Oh yes, and you get some hop enhancers and stuff as well. Oh no, clear agent, finance. That's what I was looking for.
Hasn't worked.
No, it hasn't. I do begin to wonder if I put it in.
Right, well, let's start off with a larger then.
Yes.
See, now the term gets me a bit weird because it's Indian Pale Lager.
Yes.
So you might as well just say Indian Pale Ale, isn't it? Surely, there's not a huge amount.
I don't know, because this has probably got lager hops in it. It doesn't really give it away too much on the box, but I'm probably went for the usually lager yeasty.
Yeah, I mean it's not your traditional lager smell, is it?
No.
It does come across as it smells a bit citrusy and stone fruity, actually, doesn't it? I think I'm gonna like this.
Yes, let's go in.
Yeah. Cheers.
Oh, nice and cold. Nice and refreshing.
Oh, that's good.
Oh, that's good.
That is really good.
It's good for the kit, isn't it? Yeah, there's everything you want in a pale ale, really.
You see, calling that a lager, I'm not so sure about that. To me, it's lovely. It's fruity. It's refreshing. It's zesty. It's got a stone fruitiness. There's that lovely mouthfeel, and it's surprising being just wanting to get it.
Yes.
But yeah, excellent.
Excellent, Darkrock.
Excellent.
Start off with a 10 out of 10.
Oh yes, 10 out of 10. Yes, 10 out of 10 everybody. Yes.
And obviously, we start with an extract kit, so let's do kits all grain. So even though this tastes great, we can't compare that against an all grain kit. It's not really fair. But compare it just on its own. Fantastic.
If you walk into a bar and you're starting off the evening or whatever, or walking into here and you're starting off the evening, you drink that and you think, blimey, that's good. The next can only be better.
And that's it, yes.
Right then, where are we going next then, right?
Well, we've won this one before a long time ago as well. We're going still at Darkrock, so obviously it's Darkrock Takeover Week. We're going to Proper Job.
Oh, that'd be this one over here, isn't it? Oh yes, excuse me. So, because this is full grain, obviously it comes in a bigger box.
Yeah.
So here we go, look, comes in these if you're not familiar with these. A tribute to Prop Job.
Yes.
So this is not the greatest beer in the world.
It's a tribute.
Oh, that was good. Prop Job is a powerfully authentic IPA with a blend of imported American hops. This beer honours St Austell's award-winning modern IPA.
Mm-hmm.
It's packed full of citrus, pineapple, and grapefruit flavours, with a fine, crisp finish. I'm sure most of us are familiar with Prop Job. It's in quite a lot of pubs these days, isn't it?
One of the best places we've looked at is in the Blue Pig in Grantham.
Oh yes, talking about pubs, yes.
And
yes,
one of the cheapest points of that.
yes, surprisingly cheap and quite nearly in the centre of town as well. So yeah, surprisingly good place.
£3 a pint.
Was it really?
It was £3 a pint. Don't know.
There you go. Right, anyway,
Right.
Prop Job. That's a lovely, nice and
Light hell, isn't it?
light. I can see through it. It's clear.
Not masses of well, Proper Job and taxi either.
No, I'm not getting a lot of nose through that.
No.
You know? In fact, I've got more nose off the one that I go on to the kit. What do you reckon, Brad?
Let's go in.
Cheers.
Oh, sorry.
He's right quite a lot. That's fantastic.
I know, that's fantastic, isn't it?
That's fantastic.
And now the flavours come through. I'm getting all those drynesses from all those hops acted together, drying out my tongue beautifully. Hooked up with some citrus and stone fruit. Just
Quite piney, that one as well, isn't it?
Quite piney.
Like my brother says, you get a lot more bit of finish on your tongue. Yeah, that's
the body, the smoothness. Yeah, it's
yeah. I mean, look at that. That's cracking, isn't it? And we've served this obviously through the Guinness.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We store my beers in corner cakes. There is a video coming soon that we'll be looking at other ways of storing beers and serving beers.
Lovely.
So I mean, because not everybody's got the room for corner kegs.
No.
Not everybody's got the expense for corner kegs. I mean, a long time ago, when we first started, I used to serve my beers in a pressure barrel.
Yeah, in the plastic pressure barrels, didn't you?
And they were perfectly good. The perfect
Yeah,
room. We did some
yeah.
brewing videos. We did some
So
brilliant
be
beers.
looking into some smaller and different sort of ways of, serving your beer. So they're coming soon, hopefully. They will.
Yeah.
And
Right,
as for that, fantastic, 10 out of 10,
10 out of
lovely,
10.
brilliant, does exactly what it's on the tin.
and if you like this beer and you want to try this beer at 10% discount, try DP Review. I must remember to tell Darkrock.
Please tell Darkrock, else they're not going to be happy. Yeah, fantastic, bro. Excellent.
Excellent.
Third beer.
Beer.
It's all the way down here again. Oh, here we go, look. So this is Summit Session IPA. Here we
It is
go.
indeed, sir. Now this is the new one from Darkrock, bro.
Right, yeah.
In fact, I think they sent me that.
Oh.
Very kind of them.
Thank you very much. So this is a perfectly balanced 4% ABV Session IPA with a smooth golden body from extra pale Cara Gold Naked Oats.
Oh.
And Carapils malt, yeah.
Yes.
Amarillo, Mosaic, Nectaron, and Strata hops. Woohoo!
Amarillo.
Deliver bright citrus and tropical notes for a perfectly balanced and crisp, refreshing finish. Lovely jubbly. 40 pints, 23 litres. They're a bit. Oh no, just tell you, 4%.
4%, so dead on session ale.
Nice.
Dead on
session.
golden.
Yeah.
Dead on let's hope it's a quaffable pint.
Ooh, now that has got a noise.
Oh, now that has. Yeah, now I can really smell the citrus and the stone fruit.
Stone fruit,
and all that.
citrusy, lovely, beery. Oh, I just notes of summer, that innit?
Notes of summer in that.
Oh, that's fantastic.
Cornfields, barley, all in there,
Beer
all mixed
festival,
with
a
birds
lot.
singing. It just smells like birds cheeping and butterflies flying. It smells like a glorious summer day.
It's like a poet, isn't it? Go for the waffle, can I drink it? I'm going in. Cheers, bro.
Cheers. Oh my gosh.
Dear Lord. That's even better than the last one.
Lovely and clear.
Brilliant.
Look how light that is from the extra pale malt they've got it going on in there. absolutely
Oh,
brilliant.
that is fantastic.
Not
beer.
too much of anything, if I'm honest. Which
nice
is
balance.
exactly what you want from a session now. It's nicely balanced. It's going to keep you going back for more. The 40 pints has gone.
Yeah, it's refreshing, but it's not punchy. It's got a nice bit of finish, but again, it doesn't dry your tongue out. But it does want you maybe to go back for more. It's exactly what a session beer should do. And at 4%, you're going to be doing all day long because that is brilliant.
That's brilliant.
Brilliant.
Let's get the sun out. Let's get the brollies out. Let's get the beer garden out.
Well, the sun was out, but it seems to have gone away a bit this afternoon. So, but that's a 10 out of 10 for me.
10 out of 10. That's 3 10 out of 10s. Have we had a bad beer this year yet?
I don't think we have, have we?
We're on a roll. We are on a roll.
Well, you are. You want to make some. I just drink them. It's great fun.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10 all day long. Shall I tell those lovely people in the YouTube I'll tell you people what's coming next time in the DMP. So, we've got, it's a small batch taste off.
Yep.
Oh, we've got a, now then, always not sure how to pronounce this. Is it pint or a pinter? A
Pinter.
Pinter. Pinter Elvis juice. So, if you're familiar with these things, they look like a mini barrel, don't they? Yeah. And you buy them as a kit, you put the kit thing in, they've got a little handle that serves everything all in one thing. So, we'll be telling you about that next time. Darkrock American Pale. How's that been served?
That's going to be served in one of those little tins you get out at the supermarket.
Oh, well, is it all like
Yeah.
8 pints or 5 pints in or whatever it is?
It's 8 pints.
8 pints in a little tin. Cool. Right, we'll go through that when we do that. And Mangrove Jack's Hazy.
Yeah, and that will be served in something new to the market. It's a big PTE bottle. I think they're called Oxbar.
Oh, right, okay.
Yeah, and we'll be looking at that as well.
Oh, right.
So we will be making those 3 beers and we'll be serving them in different ways. This is to try and get the people who haven't got a lot of room at home into brewing, making beers for their friends, etc.
Yeah.
And we were looking at the best ways and best one to do it with.
Cool. Excellent. That's brilliant.
Should be interesting video.
Yeah, it should be great, that one.
We should get it all together.
If it works out, it does, yeah, it's not bad. If you're watching this anywhere on Facebook or anywhere else and you've clicked in, just go across to YouTube, click subscribe, and then you'll get notified when we've got our next job out.
Yep. Also, if you're watching on Facebook, don't forget to subscribe to Pure Brew. You'll see us on there as well as my Dog and Partridge channel. And don't forget to use DP Review if you want to order some beers from Darkrock. Or these 3 beers from Darkrock. Yeah, that's about it,
Lots of
really.
info, hasn't it? Is that about it for this week then, bro?
That's about it from this week. So there's only one thing to say, bro.
What's that?
Huzzah! To the king!
Are you not saying goodbye?
Oh, goodbye.
It's goodbye from him.
Oh, yeah, it's goodbye.
See, it's gone off the
Fluffed
end,
it.
hasn't it?
Fluffed it.
Fluffed it, but it's fine. It's goodbye from him.
It's goodbye from him.
Huzzah!
Huzzah! To the king. Do it again. Cheers.
Cheers.